the lessons that grandma teaches, you know, you really don't like them. You know what I'm saying? But what you realize as you go through time was those were the timeless lessons that changes lives. And patience is the same way. If you embrace it just for a second, what you realize is that you rather have patience, have her perfect work. What do I mean? Why step over $1 to get to a dime? What do I mean? I mean, hey, you know, what you can do with your life is anything, but what you should do is the right thing. See, patience, what you're asking for when you want patience is a time to wait, but waiting with deliberation, waiting with promise, waiting with hope. What it does is work a sense of gratitude inside you. It works a fortitude inside you. And what's happening on the inside is more valuable than anything you can ever get outside.